Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to make a cocktail that is harder to pronounce than to make. It is the Champs Elysees. I hope I've pronounced that right for all my French viewers. If I haven't, I'm really sorry. Now I found this cocktail recipe in a book that I have from 1925. And that cocktail book is called Drinks Long and Short by Nina Toy. I don't think I've made a cocktail with cognac in it for a while, so I'm super excited to give this a try because this will be the first time that I try it. And the first thing that it calls for is 60 mils or 2 ounces of a cognac. I'm going to give Courvoisier a bit of love in this video. We're going to use 2 ounces. This is the VSOP, 2 ounces, 60 mils. I am in Australia, but I always like to say ounces for our viewers that are still in the imperial system. Next up, 15 mils, half an ounce of green Chartreuse. How I love my green Chartreuse. Next up, 22.5 mils or 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. Freshly squeezed, of course. 7.5 mils or 1/4 of an ounce of sugar syrup or simple syrup. And last but not least, a couple dashes of Angostura Bitters. Add some ice. Don't forget to chill down your glassware. Give it a really good shake. We're going to double strain that into a cocktail glass or a coupette. This is kind of a twist on a sidecar, I'm thinking, looking at the specs. Really sort of subbing out the Curacao or the Cointreau with the Chartreuse. And then what it calls for is just a lemon twist as a garnish, just as the sidecar does as well. Drop it in there. This is the Champs Elysees. I hope I've spelled that. Oh, I hope I've pronounced that right. Cheers. Yum. That is a boozy cocktail. 2 shots of the cognac, the Chartreuse, which is also high IBV. I love that the Chartreuse is giving it a really nice sweet herbal aroma and flavour to the cocktail. It works really well with the lemon juice. The bitters in there I'm not really picking up too much on. Oh, a little bit at the end, so I could probably add a little bit more to that. But once again, it's a really delicious cocktail. So give it a try, give us a like, a subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments, and we'll see you soon on Let's Talk Drinks.